Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, or number 2 today, actually. So we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold made another pretty nice push up today. That's what happens when you're in a wave 3 trend. I think this is a wave 5 of wave 3 on the very high time frames like the weekly and monthly, but definitely a wave 3 price action we're seeing here. Now this move down to me actually still, just like I was saying this morning, looks like a wave A. Even though this is a higher high, if you actually look where it bounced from, the 138, 123 area, that is actually a target for an expanding flat or a running flat. Now, I wouldn't really count on this because the trend is very strong and it may just keep on trending up like this pretty easily. But if it is a running flat, then it would definitely make a higher low of the wave A and then continue the uptrend. If it's an expanding flat, then it would actually make a pretty nice downtrend, probably to at least the 161, 178 area. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. I would 100% still continue to look for longs unless you're a scalper. If this is a running flat, like I said, you'd see a higher low. If it's an expanding flat, you would see this 161, 178 area respected. Probably the end of either in a running flat or an expanding flat wave C and the continuation of this wave 3 of wave 5 uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.